Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to be showing you how to do a full taper. Very easy steps. All you got to do is start your guideline off. Well, I started by separating his hair all over the parietal ridge. Do your guideline, do it clean, do it straight, do it however you like. Clean it up with that shaver. I'm just doing the guideline right in front of the dirt as well. You can see him doing that front guideline right around the peak of his little ear thing. There's like a little line. Using my gamma boosted, doing the guideline about half an inch to an inch, depends on the length of the neck. 0.5, going up to a 1 open, about half a guard, flicking out, making sure that your guideline is very easy to tell, because you want to know where your guidelines sit. Using my 2.5 guard, opening it up, playing with my 1.5 guard, playing around, opening, closing the lever, flicking out as much as I can. My 1.5 guard, my 0.5 guard, sorry. Trying to slap that line, softening it up a bit. Playing with the lever as much as possible, making sure that you really hit that line. You're no guard, clipper only. Now this step, you're gonna have to play with your guard, well, your lack of guard, a lot. With your lever, a lot. Here I'm just doing the front taper, keeping it straight for the 0.5, and then starting to curve it around slightly. You're gonna see here, that's my 2.5. I think we skipped my 1.5. I'm still getting used to all these YouTube tutorials, hoping to give you guys as much content as possible. Here's my 1.5 guard, flicking out. Very easy steps. You do your 0.5, 1 open, 2 open. Then you go back to your 1.5 guard special, however you want to call it. Slap the lines, 0.5 guard, slap the lines, and then you go no guard. Doing these voiceovers, no clips, no stopping, giving you my honest advice, not cutting anything. It's also very easy to edit. Tell me what you guys think. Now I'm using the scissors, just to use scissors over comb. Now here you can see I use my fingers just to know what direction the taper is going. You don't just want to have a line, you want it to be very linear. Tapping the ear line up, making that as clean as possible. Those are my favorite lining trimmers. The and the Slimline Pros. Forget your FX3s. Forget your Gamma whatevers. These, the OGs, they really hit. All you gotta do is really zero gap them. And they cost 80 bucks Canadian. So I don't know how much that is in American. It's probably about, what, like 50 bucks American. For 50 bucks, there's nothing better. And I drop my stuff on occasion, so I don't want to pay too much. I'm a cheap guy. All right. Once you remove those clips, always remember to just blow dry the hair. Try to make it straight again, because sometimes it wants to keep the same shape as when it was in your clips. Making sure to do now this separation, perfect. You do that triangle to the top of his cranium. This is going fast. Well, I'm gonna have to edit this slower next videos. Let me know what you guys think, so I know how to edit my stuff. I'm just practicing around. These videos are probably not gonna exist in the future. For the moment, I'm just playing around. Oh, I was about to stab him right there. All right. So I mean, these are test videos. These are not. This is not gonna be the same as for the future. Just let me know what you guys think. I want as much criticism, as much help as possible. I've been kind of skipping these these steps here. I'm just getting comfortable with YouTube. Here's the taper, cleany weeny.
Show me the back.
Bazinga! Oh, look how handsome he looks.
Be liking that shit.